York's great Idlewild International Airport is renamed in honor of the late President John F. Kennedy. In the lobby of the International Arrivals Building, some 800 people gather for the rededication ceremonies, which are held shortly before noon when no incoming flights are due. Senator Edward Kennedy takes part in the ceremony as representative of the family. New York's Mayor Wagner stands with the senator during the invocation that precedes the spoken tributes. President Kennedy's sister, Mrs. Stephen Smith, comes up from Washington to attend the brief service. A symbolic unveiling is given the familiar initials JFK. They will be incorporated into the John F. Kennedy International Airport sign that will face the ramp where overseas passengers first set foot on American soil. Intricate rewiring and other alterations will take from 4 to 6 weeks. 700 highway markers will be changed too. A major gateway to the world will forever honor the name of the president who so often used it in his country's service.